My responsibility here is Micron is to manage this operational side that is in Singapore, assembly and test for Micron, and I'm here as a site VP. To really take care of the well-being of the people, you have to contact people, not only talk to my direct report, because if I only communicate to my direct report, I always have filtered views all the things happen, right? So as a leader, Micron is really promoted to have communication at each level of the organization. You have to take care of people, otherwise you don't have performance in the company. I can't do nothing by myself. I have to rely on the people that are in this side, the people that are in Micron to have a performance. So it's natural that I spend more time on the people that necessary on the technical. You need to have good performance from the people. And the people can only be motivated and engaged if you take care of them. I don't think it is just a trend or a fashion or something that make leader looks good when get interviewed and say I take care of people. It is necessary. So because the performance of the industry today is different from what it was before. So the more feedback you have, and the more feedback you have, the better you can understand what to do with it. We also have a periodical engagement survey, which is somehow similar to the survey that Great Place to Work does. And we get a lot of good indication from them. And surveys is visible up to the CEO. The first person that see this survey is the CEO, and then it goes down to us. So it is. That's one of the reasons I like to work for Micron. If we want to be able to take care of the other person and to perform, to drive performance in the company, we have to take care of ourselves first. We do care about people. I believe this is one sentence that summarizes my 5 years of experience in Micron.